Hello guys, welcome. This is Forex Ray. Today is a Monday morning. It is 5th September 2022. I'm here to conduct a quick market overview of what is happening in the financial market. First of all, we're starting with the dollar index. Today is a bank holiday in the US. However, other markets are still open and therefore the market is still expected to move. Now, looking at the behavior of the market from the perspective of the dollar index, you can see that from the monthly, weekly chart rather, to the daily, to 4 hour, to the hourly time frame, it's been looking up way back from the from last year November till date. The weekly chart has not looked down at all. It's still been going up. It's still been bullish. It's still bullish on the daily time frame. All time frames are looking up. It's a clear indication that this year is actually the year for the US dollar. It's going to be dominating for a long time because the chart proves it. The chart is a very interesting tool to tell us the behavior of a particular currency pair in the market. So currently, the dollar is king. Now, this is expected to have effect on dollar pairs. For example, you have the euro, US dollar. You realize that on the weekly time frame, it has been looking down from November last year till date. It has brought massive weakness to the European currency. Dollar is still king here. And then when you look at the pound US dollar, you can see that the pound US dollar is experiencing similarly what has happened or what is happening to the euro. And then this from the beginning of the year to date, it has never changed direction. It's been going down and down and down, a clear indication that the US dollar is dominant across board, and you can see it here. And so for locally, we realizing that even though we don't have this charting package hasn't got a Ghanaian city, it's clear that the dollar is king, and we can see the quick effects that we realize with the local currency. Almost every every few weeks, you see a major change, and that is to tell the strength of the dollar and its experience globally. If you look at a pair like, let me see, yes, the new kid on the block, where are you? BTC, BTC, BTC. Oh yeah, I got it here. So cryptocurrencies. Somebody asked me once, what do I expect? And should I expect a recovery? Should I expect a pullback? What about the cryptos? Are they going to go back up? Currently, it's at 19,677. From the from the chart perspective, what I see as a chart is as a technical analyst, cryptocurrency is not coming back now. It's going to be bearish for some time because you can clearly see, I mean, the major impulsive moves. You have impulsive move, it ranges a bit, a big one, ranges a bit, big one, ranges a bit, big one is expected to go further downwards. So currently there's no hope for me in terms of what I expect to see from the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency market. I expect the cryptocurrency market to go down. It is dying for some weeks now, and it is going to still go down further. So bad news of cryptocurrency is not going to work well for them for a while. Then I'm also going to look at I'm going to move to an automobile company, Volkswagen. All right, so I mean, a major move down here, very, very, very major move I saw on this pair. I mean, you can see it for yourself. Crack down here. I mean, like breaking through the floor, breaking to the ground here. You can see the behavior. It's happened before. It shot up some time ago, and then I mean, if you look into the history of it here, but now currently it is moving downwards, and we expect it to continue to go downwards. Bad news for this automobile stock. It's not expected to come back now. It's going to experience weakness for some time, and we'll be looking at this regularly to update those who look at our channel. And finally, I'm going to take a look at gold. Gold. So gold is an interesting one. This is what is happening to gold on a long time frame. Gold is bearish. I mean, from April, it's been down, and it's been down on the daily. It's been down, and so it's not a very good time for gold. It's still bearish here, even though it's above the cloud. It's still bearish because the lagging span is still below the span. The largest span is still below the cloud lines. That's a circle span A, circle span B. So it's below the span. So we still think that it is still going to keep its bearish outlook, and it's not recovering anytime soon. So gold is not going to do well for some time now. It's unfortunate for gold miners and gold dealers, and this is what they have to live with. And so, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the video. You can ask any question you want about these pairs, and we can do an analysis of particular pairs you are interested in. Thank you, and see